1 second, he fires. Ball at the basket! Attack, bounce pass to the middle, the lace, yes sir! And the pass, rejected. Bakani will attack, will lace off the window, Manny, Bakani. Welcome to Junior MPBL. Novaliches versus Marikina, first ball possession. Novaliches fires off the window, Nugget. And here's Team Marikina. Pass it to the middle and fires. Inbound for Team Marikina, looking for the receiver. Kicks it out to the middle, launches on 3. Bang! The net! And here's Team Novaliches. High pass to the wings area. He fires on 3. Bang! The answer! Here comes Team Marikina. Sasagot, deep 3. No good. Mari-rebound dito para sa Team Novaliches. The high pass. Number 7 between the legs. Stop, fade away. Bucket is good. And ball is stolen. And the pass in the love pass and the finish. And bounce pass, Lee, so good, short. And his Team Marikina, Trinidad to the lace, too strong. Picks. And the pass, fires a 3, bam, 3-point. Marikina for the inbound, now looking for the receiver, corner pass. And decided to take it easy. And now at the top, guarded by number 31. Pass it to the corner, launches on 3. Short. Rebound for Team Novaliches. And now in hurry. Bump Javier. To the corner, elbow J, not good. And the rebound, the put back. And that's good for 2. For Team Marikina, looking for the receiver, is number 11. He dribbles the ball, he goes out. Setting the play against Javier. And the pass. Rejected. And here comes Bakani. The cross pass. Wings area, launches on 3. Off the mark. Rebound para dito sa Novaliches. And the pass. Spinning. Recover. Corner. Pull up jumper. Bucket is good. The lucky bound. Here you go, Team Marikina. Dribbling at the top. He stopped. And number 34 pass it back to number 11. Di diskarte mula sa gitna. Baseline, reverse layup. No good. And the pass break to the hoops, binanggat. Talsik yung defender. Here comes Team Marikina. Natapikan mula sa likod. And now, easy lace. And 14-13. 1 point lead for Novaliches. Kicks it out. And pass it to the middle. Faking, attacking. To the hoops. Bucket is good. And here comes Team Marikina. And pass it to number 31. Attack. Bounce pass to the middle. The lace. Yes, sir. And attacking the defense. Pinasa sa wings sa baseline. Hook pass. Elbow jumper, bucket is good, the Nets. This quarter. And here's Team Marikina to Jagna. Jagna, number 11. And the pass sa 3. Nugget. Rebound para sa Novaliches. Pinasa sa loob. Pinaikot, stolen. And the pass. Traffic and pinahasa, binitbit. Puti na lang the savior. And dribbling the ball. Attacking the defense. To the hoops. Short. Rebound. Marikina pa rin. Second chance. First on the free throw. Bucket. Final free throw. Yes, it's in. And here's come Team Marikina. And we are tied at 19. Jagna. Atake. Sa baseline. Pull up J. Won't go. Rebound. Jagna. Kicks out. Bakani will attack. will lace off the window. Manny Bacani. And here comes number 27, De Leon to the middle. Deep 3. Bang! Galing! Raimundo. Pass it to the middle. Bounce pass. He posts up. Fires. Short. Bacani. And the pass to the middle. Another extra pass. The floater. Easy 2. And 26-19 ang score natin. Attack the defense. Left-handed. Floater. Yes, sir. And behind the back dribble. Jagna. Bounce pass inside. Fires. Basket and 1. Bacani. Bacani. Bucket. And here you go. Dribble. Pull up J. Short. And the rebound. And the pass. Fix. Pull up J. Bullseye. Javier. Javier. Attack bump. The floater. Yes, sir. Javier. And here's Tim Marquina. The pass. Drives. Stop. Spins. Inside pass. And 5. Basket and 1. De Leon. Completing a 3-point play. And here's number 22. To the middle. Sets the play. Javier. Javier. And spins. Crossover. Pull up jumper. First throw. It's in. Second on the free throw. Another one. And sets the play. Javier. Goes inside the lace. Bucket is good. Javier. And the pass. Holding the ball. Pupunas ng sapatos. And here's Tim Marquina. Pass it to the wing area. Launches on 3. May foul. Nadali sa... And here's Javier. Now in hurry. Penetrates. Hook shot. Uy. And here's Tim Marquina. To the middle. Drives. To the hoops. Oh, ang ganda namang move nun. And here's Tim Novaliches. Oh, nag-crossover. Sa gitna, corner pass. To the middle, picks. Spins, kicks out. Javier launches on 3. Negid. Rebound and the floater. Put back. Basket and 1. Raimundo. 18 seconds on the game clock. Bucket. And it's Tim Marquina. And 3-point lead for Marquina. And the pass back to the middle. Inside pass. Rejected. Second chance. It's 8. And 1 second. He fires. Ball! At the buzzer! Marquina. And the pass. Side step to the middle. The water. Yes, sir. Tim Marquina. Novaliches goes to the baseline. Pull up J. It's hello, bodies on the floor. And the pass. Bacani, kinaliwa. Oh, hang in the air. Basket and 1. 50-47 score natin. Bacani completing a 3-point play. Javier. Javier now at the top. Pass it to the wings. Pass back to Javier. Goes to the screen. Pass inside. No look pass inside. Far so easy too. And ball is stolen. And the pass. Trinidad reverse layup. Yes, it's in. And here's Tim Novaliches. Number 30. To the middle. To the middle. Number 77. Bump. Spins. Almost stolen. Fires up 3. Short. Rebound Javier. Hook shot. Yes, sir. And number 11 behind the back dribble. To number 27. Nice ball movement here. For Tim Marquina, open look at the corner. Nugget. Here's Javier. Javier drives through inside. Javier on the free throw. First throw is in. And the final free throw. And tie. And number 11. Here's Trinidad. No look pass inside. Fire. Basket and 1. The backdoor inbound. Here's Javier. Pass to the middle. Deep 3. Bang! 3 points! Pass to Bacani. Open look. Fires. Bang! 3 points. Bacani. Raymundo now at the top. Passes to Ledis. Fires at 3. Won't go. Rebound and a put back shot. The strong move. 61-60. 1 point lead for Team Marikina. Corner. Bounce pass inside. Spinning. Attacks and fire. Too strong. And rebound. Put back. Yes, sir. Pierre. Behind the back. Dancing at the floor. The pass to the wings. Raymundo. Geronimo. Short. Rebound. Para dito sa Team Marikina. Bounce pass. Ang ganda nung pass. Lace of the window. Bakit? Pierre. 4 seconds. Behind the back. Nagawan. Tumira sa upcourt shot. That's the end. Interaction here. Here's Team Marikina. Ball possession. And 65-60. 5 point lead for Team Marikina. Bacani. Crosses over between the legs. He stops. Open fires at 3. Short. Rebound Raymundo. Raymundo is spinning. Attacks. And the pass to the hoops of the glass. Basket and 1. And completing the 3-point play. And yes, sir, it's in. Down Team Marikina, number 8. Pass to the middle. Bacani. Di Discarte. Atake. And kicks to the baseline. Pull-up jumper too strong. And a chance to tie the game or to lead the game for Javier. He steps inside. Pull-up jumper at the free throw area. Ties the game. The pass to the wing area. Pass back. And corner. Launches on 3. In and out. Rebound. Raymundo. Raymundo. Bounce pass. Baseline. The side step. And fire. A good shot for 2. Back to inbound. And the pass. Fire 3. Bam! 3 points. 69-68. And the pass. Raymundo. Corner. Pass back. Sa gitna. Attacking the defense. Kicks out. Step back. And here's Javier. Drives. Inside. Pinasa. And foul. Arrigue. First on the free throw. Bucket. Last on the free throw. Yes, it's in. Ball is stolen. The pass break. And here's Lace. Easy bucket. Basilan. 71-70. 1 point lead for Team Novaleches. Nambi faking. Cross pass. Fires at 3. Short. Rebound na pupunta sa Team Marikina. And here's Team Marikina. Bump and fire for 3. Bam! Kings Bay. And here's Javier. Javier. Bump. Attacks. Fires. Uy. Na technical. Inbound. Raymundo kicks out. Is this inside pass, spinning for 3. Bang! 3 points. For the inbound, here's number 11 to the middle. Bacani now at the top. The distance between the legs. Drives, kicks it out for 3. In and out. And here's Team Raymundo for Team Novaliches. He stops. Corner. Pass it back. No look pass to the middle. Inside pass. Na libre. Easy to bucket. Bacani. The pass break. Eksakto yung pasa. Picks. Clutch. Easy bucket. Trinidad. Ditches. Here's Javier. Slowly dribbling the ball. Javier. Inside to the middle. Pass back to Javier. Spinning, attacking, to the hoops, no, too strong, oh, talsik, oh, offensive. 2 minutes on the game clock. 77-75 ang score natin. And Bacani, he stops, looking for the receiver. High pass, naagaw dito. And bump, spins, tinalsik, basket and 1. Nambi now at the free throw area. And completing the 3-point play. Second shot clock. Pass to the middle. 5-point lead for Novaliches. And to the middle is Bakani. Bakani. Behind the back, step back for 3. No, not this time. And the pass. Here comes Javier. Javier. Crossover between the legs. Javier. Oh, Tumalsik. Kicks out. Pinaukit Celis fakes. Stop, pull-up jumper. Bullseye. 7-point lead. Dumila pa. Padilla moment. Javier. The pass. Celis. Bounce pass. And the pass for 3. Bang! 3 points!